Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Y equals 5x squared minus 3x plus 7. Find the value of the derivative of y with respect to x when x is equal to 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the function. Y equals 5x squared minus 3x plus 7. This is my starting point. Now let's find the derivative of y with respect to x first. Let's start with the first term. We have 5x squared. What I do first is I multiply. 2 times 5 is equal to what? 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And then I write the variable x and I have to reduce the power by 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so I don't write it. Let's move on to the second term. Here we have minus 3x. Minus 3x. Alright, so remember I have a little 1 here, even though we don't write it. That is the power. That is the exponent of x. What is negative 3 multiplied by 1? Negative 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to negative 3. Okay, and then I have to reduce the power by 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So there is a 1 over here, but obviously we don't write it, so I'm just going to erase it out. Now, I want you to remember the constant rule, and the constant rule looks like this. The derivative of any constant, I'm going to write a C here. C represents the constant. The derivative of any constant is always equal to 0. And you can actually write this down as well. This is called the constant rule. I'm going to write it down as well. This is called the constant rule. Okay, so here we have a constant, positive 7. Remember, the derivative of any constant is equal to 0, so I'm not going to do anything further. Now we have to remember this part. Find the value of the derivative of y with respect to x when x is equal to 1. So what do we do now? We write down when x is equal to 1, then we substitute the value of 1 into the place of x. Okay, so then I'm going to write the derivative of y with respect to x when x is equal to 1 will be 10. And then instead of writing x, I will write a 1 minus 3. Okay, so 10 times 1 is equal to 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So the answer is then equal to 7.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.